Hi there. Priya loves doodling. She is busy doing one at the moment. Let's look closely at her work. Did you notice that? She is repeating the same design on alternate rows. Yes, she is forming a pattern. Talking about patterns and repetitions, different scientists have looked for the same while they were trying to classify elements in chemistry. Puzzled? Let's understand this. In the early 1800s, a German chemist, J.W. Dobereiner, observed that the elements showed similar properties when arranged based on their atomic masses and could be placed in a group of three. Elements such as calcium, strontium, and barium were showing similar properties and were grouped together. This group of three elements is called a triad. He also observed the average atomic masses of the first and third elements of the triad was approximately equal to the atomic mass of the middle element of the triad. That's the pattern Dobereiner observed. He failed to arrange even the then known elements in the form of triads. In the year 1864, a scientist and a lover of music, John Newlands, arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic masses. He found every eighth element has similar properties to the first. This is just like the musical octave. The eighth note is the same as the first. There, he found a pattern in the elements just as the musical octave. This method, however, could not fit the heavier elements after calcium and the newly discovered ones. Using the same, based on arranging the elements, that is, in the order of their increasing atomic masses, in the year 1869, a Russian chemist formed a table of elements called the Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements with similar properties were put one below the other in the same vertical column. He left blank spaces where the properties of the elements did not tally with the ones placed just above them. He observed that the properties of elements repeated themselves at regular intervals. He thus concluded the periodicity or the properties of elements are based on the atomic masses. This method too had some drawbacks, but the interesting fact is that each scientist found different patterns of periodicity by arranging the elements according to the masses in a particular pattern.